Amy, I am so excited about this new product.
I know. This is a brand new concept for us. Do you want to walk us through it a little bit?
I would absolutely.
Okay. I'll add commentary.
First of all, the tin itself. This is, I mean, every man, woman, child needs a tin like this against their bed, in their workshop, everything.
You can find something to put in that to store and keep organized.
For sure, for sure. And then when we open it, the magic of this is fabulous. So we have this brush. Tell me a little bit about the brush.
Absolutely. So the idea of the Magnificent Mini set is to give you kind of an on-the-go cleaning set that you can use wherever you might need it. So think about a dorm room where you don't have a lot of space, or it might be even in your car, something that's kind of at the ready in case you need it. So this set actually has 3 items. It has this awesome brush, which is actually made of beechwood and then nylon bristles. So I love this brush if you're wanting to get down and scrub. Maybe you're using it on your tennis shoes with the cleaning cream that we're going to talk about in just a minute, or you're using it on grout. You see some grout that's driving you nuts and you want to get it cleaned a little bit in the bathtub or the shower. It's a great brush. So it's both durable and, of course, with beechwood, sustainable too.
Love that. And you know, springtime, lots of sports, lots of kids playing outside, some mud. I mean, this will clean anything.
In a jiff.
Love it. Absolutely love it. And then now talk about the cream a little bit.
Yes. So the idea behind this cream cleaner is to almost have, if you think of cleaning paste, almost being ready to use. So it is a cream, so you don't need to add water to it. And it has a great application just in a spot where you need it. And then you can use the brush, or if you want, you can use the travel size mini. I think we're calling this a mini now, Enviro cloth, to get those messes up on the go.
Love that. So if you're thinking about, okay, who's my market for this? You know, it really is everyone, but let's think of special times. This could be a great wedding gift. This could be a great bachelorette.
Father's Day
coming up. Yes, graduation.
Right.
We absolutely love this. This is, again, it's gonna fly off the shelves. It's gonna catapult your business.